Hello, good morning, my dears. Hi, welcome to our new week, and hope all of you are fine there. Did you study well? Uh, Try to study your portions day to day itself. Okay, okay, let's move to our class. Today, we are going to discussing about magnetic fields around a magnet. Okay, in the last class, we studied about some important terms related to magnet, which are the magnetic poles, and that's North Pole and South Pole, magnetic axis, magnetic length, etc. Right? Okay. Today, and another important thing related to the magnet is magnetic field. Okay. Magnetic field of a magnet is the region surrounded the magnet in which the force of attraction of the magnet can be felt. Okay, that is the force, the area of the force of attraction is field. That area is known as magnetic field. Okay, look at this picture. We can see some several lines and also some arrow marks in there. These lines denoted the magnetic field. That's a force of attraction of a magnet is felt. The area of the force of attraction is felt. That area is known as magnetic field. Okay. We know that move to the center, the magnetic field is very weak, and in the move to the pole region, north and south pole region, at the edges, the force of attraction is very strong. So we can see in the image the magnetic field is the force of attraction of a magnet can be felt. The region is very stronger in the pole region. Okay. So, I repeat once again, the magnetic field of a magnet is the region around the magnet in which the force of attraction of a magnet can be felt. Okay, and a magnetic field has both the magnitudes and directions. Okay, like all other diagrams. Okay, and a magnetic field also have both magnitude and their direction. Let's do an activity to show the existence of a magnetic field around a magnet. The materials required for this activity: a bar magnet, a cardboard sheet, and iron fillings. Take a bar magnet and place it on a cardboard sheet. Okay. Then sprinkle some iron fillings around the bar magnet. Gently tap the cardboard sheet, and we can observe that iron fillings arrange themselves as adjoining is under the influence of the magnetic fields of the given magnet. We conclude that from this activity that the magnetic field exists around a magnetic field. Let's watch a video uh, related to this activity. Okay.
The magnetic field lines are emerging from the North Pole and they are merging towards the South Pole. When they travel inside the magnet, they are moving from the South Pole to the North Pole. Therefore, the direction of magnetic fields outside the magnet will be from the North Pole to the South Pole, whereas inside the magnet it will be from the South Pole to the North Pole. This concludes the direction of magnetic fields. When we observe the pattern which is over here, we observe that it forms a closed loop. To observe this pattern more significantly, we will be using some iron fillings. If I randomly sprinkle these iron fillings over this arrangement, and if I tap it, we observe, and even if I disturb it again and then tap it, we see that they align in closed loops. The loops are very visible here. Okay. Therefore, the magnetic field lines are closed curves. The relative strength of the magnetic field is shown by the degree of closeness of the magnetic field lines. If we again focus here, we see the magnetic field lines in this region are very close to each other. Therefore, they are very strong magnetic fields. Whereas, when the magnetic field lines move away from the magnet, the distance between them increases. Therefore, the relative strength of the magnetic field decreases. Another factor which we observe is that no two fields, if you look over here, this part, no two magnetic lines are crossing each other. Therefore, none of the magnetic fields, they cross each other, they form concentric closed loops. The closed loops towards the inner side are stronger, and the strength of the closed loops as you move away from the magnet is relatively lesser.
Next, we are discussing about some properties of magnetic field lines. The first property of the magnetic field lines is, in air, the magnetic field lines start from the north pole and end at the south pole of the magnet. Clear? The first property, in air, the medium is air. Okay. The magnetic field line starts from the north pole and ends at the south pole of the magnet. And the second property of the magnetic field lines is, no two magnetic field lines can ever intersect or another at any point. Okay, no two magnetic field lines can be ever intersect one another. Okay, at any point. We can see that the magnetic field lines are crossing or passing through. We can see that they do not intersect each other. They are more separated lines. Okay, like separated lines. Clear? And the next point is, if the magnetic field lines close to each other, then it means that the magnetic field is quite strong. If the magnetic field, the space the magnetic field lines is small, that means it is weak. Okay. The third point of the third property of the magnetic field lines is, the magnetic field lies closer each other. The lines are very closer each other. That means the magnetic field is quite strong. And in the magnetic field is weak, the space between the magnetic field lines is more. Okay. This is the third property of the magnetic field lines. Next, the fourth property is, the arrow marks on the magnetic field lines given the direction of the magnets. Okay, we can see that some arrow marks noted in this figure. Okay, that denoted the direction of the magnet fields. Okay, which are the properties of the magnetic field lines? The first one is, in air, the magnetic field lines start from the north pole and ends at the south pole of the magnet. The second one is, no two magnetic field lines can ever intersect one another at any point. And the third one is, if the magnetic field lines closer to each other, that means that magnetic field is quite strong. If the magnetic field is weak, the space between the magnetic field lines is more. And the final point is, the arrow marks of the magnetic field lines given the direction, that shows the direction of the magnetic field. All of you clear? Just repeat once again. Today we are discussing about the magnetic field around a magnet. What is magnetic field? The magnetic field of a magnet is the region around the magnet in which the force of attraction of magnet can be felt. And also we watch an activity, we do an activity to shows the existence of the magnetic field, and also we are discussing about the properties of the magnetic field. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, study well. I will take an examination in the next class. Okay, thank you.